This is a logistics, basically, delivery drone. And this year we will be flying in 5 different regions of Scotland for NHS, doing different types of medical service. We'll be looking at things like blood sample transfer, chemotherapy medication, and other small equipment. We're at the cusp of the third revolution in aviation, the first being just flight, the second being transatlantic flight. So we're really looking at that sort of step change to new fuel types for aircraft, electric, hydrogen, sustainable aviation fuels, and also brand new airframe types. So we've got drones, but we've also got eVTOL aircraft or urban air taxis. So to be involved in that is a very exciting time as well.